Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to make this real time so these things populate. So let's jump right into it. So in component will mount we had this thing, we had it commented out, but we basically had the framework of how we wanted it to go. So we're listening for when an auction is created. When it's created, we call an action called auction created. We're getting this available to us through the props here. With connecting with the Redux store using this connect keyword. We're getting the auction created action from our module, our auction module with actions in it. So now we can go there right now, and we need to actually create that. So I'm just going to do auction created. Then make an action auction created, and it takes as a parameter auction created. Okay, so we create our action, and now all we need to do is do a reducer for this. And actually what we want to do is we want to affect this auctions object. We want to update it. So if we go to redux actions, instead of handle action, we want to do handle actions, and I'll show you how this works. What this allows you to do is to listen for two actions that modify the same basically prop. So we're going to do something like this, and not create actions. It looks like that though. Handle actions, handle actions, here they are. So notice how he has increment and decrement. Okay, so this is what we want to do for ours. Export const reducer. Ours is going to be called actions. Handle actions. We're going to have two actions here. First is receive auctions. The second is auction created. So for receive auctions, we're going to do the same thing that we did above, which is to just return, and we can just, bam, which is just to return action.payload. And if we wanted to, we could just do it like this. That'll be really nice. Alright, and then our second one here, we'll listen for auction created. Now, auction created is going to be slightly more complicated. And also, here we go. This is going to be a array as the default value. Okay, and we don't need this anymore. So our state in this array, and each array element is an auction. And action.payload right now, we'll expand it like that, is a auction that we need to add to the state. And since it's a new auction that's just created, I think it'd be nice to add it to the beginning of the list. So why don't we do payload, comma, dot, 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 and we spread the state. And that should be good. Let's watch in action. So refresh, and now I'm going to go over here in Postman, and I'm going to create an auction, and what should happen is we should see a card above here appear. I'm going to call this raspberry, and it should say raspberry on it. I send, and bam, notice immediately how it says raspberry right there. So notice how I made a post request here with Postman, and then it changed the server, and then right here it immediately updated in real time. So that's really cool. So we have multiple users can be doing this at the same time, creating auctions from their app, and they'll see this just stream of auctions right there. Alright, cool. So that's all I wanted to do for this video, is just get this live streaming. So now we have all these auctions just flowing in whenever someone makes it. And then in the next video, what I want to do is I think I want to create, work on this time. So right now it should be like ticking down, or it should say it expired or the auction is over, so we can see how much time is left on the auction. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.